Hello and welcome to Mr. Wojciu Free Children's Stories channel. We're thrilled to have both parents and kids joining us today. Our channel is dedicated to providing fun and engaging stories that will spark your child's imagination and inspire them to read more. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel, so you don't miss any of our upcoming stories. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest releases. Thank you for choosing to spend your time with us today, and we hope you enjoy our stories. Father Roberto: Hey, Leo. How was your day today? Leo, 5 years old: Hey, Dad. It was great. I have a question for you. What is your favorite dish? Father Roberto: That's a tough question, Leo. I love many dishes, but one of my favorites is spaghetti with tomato sauce and meat. Leo: Oh, that sounds delicious. Can we have it for dinner? Father Roberto: Of course. We can prepare this tasty dish together. I'll help you chop the vegetables, and then we'll cook the spaghetti together. Leo: Did you know that I also like pizza? Father Roberto: Yes, I know, Leo. Pizza is also one of my favorite dishes. We can make pizza together too, if you want. Leo: Awesome. Can I put the cheese on top? Father Roberto: Absolutely. You can put the cheese on top, and I'll prepare the rest of the ingredients. Leo: Have you ever had pizza with ice cream? Father Roberto: Pizza with ice cream? That sounds interesting, but I don't think I've tried that combination before. Maybe we can give it a try someday. Leo: Yes. We'll have the coolest dinner ever. Father Roberto: It will definitely be a special dinner, Leo. But remember, healthy food is important, so let's have pizza with ice cream as a treat once in a while. Leo: Okay, Dad. But sometimes it's okay to have some treats, right? Father Roberto: Absolutely. Everything in moderation is fine. It's important to eat healthy food, but we can treat ourselves to something sweet from time to time. Leo: Thank you, Dad, for cooking such delicious things for me. Father Roberto: The pleasure is all mine, Leo. I enjoy cooking for you and seeing how much you enjoy the food. Now, it's time to prepare dinner. Leo: Yes. I can't wait. Father Roberto: Alright, let's get cooking. See you in the next story. Don't forget to like the tale and subscribe to our channel.